दोनशे. So guys, this is basically a stress buster ride. I really fed up of doing day to day life in Mumbai and just want to do something different, want to have a peace. I'm going to my place which is called, the name is Deogao, which is 35-40 kilometers from Aurangabad, and it's a superb ride. I mean, you don't get that much of traffic. Single road, you have to be very careful, because if you see the traffic, it's huge trucks traveling like this. I'm talking to camera low, small village. People are just wondering what the hell he's doing. He's mad or what? Good morning everybody, this is Palti and finally I am at my place which is called as Deogao. Well, thing is that I just want to show you this place is because many of the times we have a lot of stress in our life, especially when we are living in a city like Mumbai, Bangalore, whatever. So for the stress buster you need to have something different. This is my way. I just would like to show it to you because this place is like completely silent. I can't hear a noise of a vehicle. I can't hear noise of any horn or anybody calling me like that. It's completely silent. It's so amazing to come. It's like huge refreshment. It's a wonderful feeling, extremely peaceful feeling I'm getting. Now I'll just go down and हमारे खेत में जाएंगे अभी हम. This is called as homemade tent. Look at this. This is so practical. Use of plastic, then winding up with the wood. छोटे छोटे लकड़ी के साथ बांध दिया है उसको. So अगले महीने में आ जाएंगे क्यों? तुमसे नाम क्या है? राजेश रत्न पार्क. अंकल, एंड आपका नाम? खाजा कुरैशी. जोर से बोलो. खाजा कुरैशी.
अच्छा, आप कितने साल से इस गांव में रहते हो?
45 साल से।
अच्छा, मुझे एक बात बताओ अभी कि ये मौसम में कौन से मीन्स खेत में आप क्या हुआ थे ये मौसम में?
ये मौसम में कपास,
हम्म,
मक्का,
हम्म,
तुअर,
बाजरी,
बाजरी।
बाजरी, ये सब जाता है अभी।
अभी इसके बाद हम लगाएंगे
जवारी,
जवारी, चना, गेहूँ।
अच्छा, अच्छा, चलो, अच्छा लगा मिल के आपसे, और फिर से बाकायदा और एक बार मुलाकात होगी।
The whole of this time I couldn't hear anything. It was such a peaceful. I have taken a lot of fresh oxygen inside my body now. I'm feeling really fresh about. And I hope now you enjoyed the whole video. Do like this video. And यहाँ तक देख लिया तो please like करने में क्या जाता है. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a nice time.